Hi everyone, this is Peter Edney. I'm just introducing you to my new ultimate engine for the MG. It can fit into a T Type MG, obviously YB. It'll also go into a Wolseley 444. This one I have produced for an American customer that is putting it into his MG TF 1500 to replace his original engine. So when we say this is the ultimate engine, it's a package that I've designed and put together to give everything that I can produce and knowledge thrown into one engine. This is purposely for a road car. It's not a race engine, although it introduces and incorporates all the finer points that you produce with a race engine. So this is including a new steel billet 96mm extended stroked crankshaft with steel billet conrods, floating pins, JE forged aluminium lightweight pistons. This has a full race camshaft timed slightly differently and the profile slightly changed to give more performance for road use and more versatility. It's running a dynamometer alternator in a dynamo body, a modern 43D distributor with our own advanced curve to suit the camshaft that we have. You can see that this has an aluminium Lastall cylinder head which we produce. These are now in stock. We've been waiting nearly 2 years to get these back into stock, but they are now available. This runs with a steel lightweight flywheel. This is not our Spider flywheel that we produce purely for race engines, as it's too light for the road, but this one is produced for road use, fast road use, hill climbing, sprints, that kind of work. Works superbly on the road. As you can see, we've fitted our stainless steel 4x2x1 extractor manifold with fully rebuilt 1.5" carburetors with the correct needles and jets in for the power that this needs to produce. The cylinder head, by the way, is running enlarged 38mm inlet valves, 34mm exhaust with wasted stems, bronze guides, obviously with the lead-free seats in as well. We've got the sump has been baffled to increase the reduction of oil surge. There's a high torque starter motor there to spin this over. We're running 10.5 compression on this. This really is the ultimate engine to put into your XPAG running MG, special, etc. This is an outright engine. Customer's buying this outright to put his 1500 to one side. This is going to go in his car. So he's buying this outright. You too can buy one of these and have it built to the spec you want. The 96mm stroke on a 1350cc bore is producing roughly 1466 cc's. We can run this with a 1500cc bore, which will give you closer to 1650 cc's. So this should be producing in excess of 120 brake horsepower. The 1500 plus the stroke crank will produce in excess of 135 brake horsepower with an impressive torque curve. This is running on carburetors, as you can see. We can produce this engine with a supercharger. The one we produced last year was producing in excess of 165 horsepower. That's for a road car going into a TC. So you can imagine quite an impressive drive. So there you go, just thought you'd be interested to see sort of work that we do here. If you're interested and you'd like any more information, feel free to go to our website, peteredney.com, or give us a call.